Hi ma'am, this is Sharon. My register number is URK17CS036 and we are going to see about web technology experiment number 5. And coming to the experiment number 5, as we are taken as a style tag included in the head tag. For that, as we have to given green and yellow, and for that we have to create one addition. For that we have taken as an input button, and for that value by using a JavaScript tags, and coming to that id we have taken as a res, and for that we have taken as a add, generate and check. We have created three buttons, and coming to the drop unchanged display, and we have taken as a csc department. And coming to the javascript tag, we have taken as a where answer. For that we have taken as a function on click, we have given as a add, and for that function we have to create a function. For that getting a element by id, we have been using that, and for that we have taken as a number 1 and number 2, and both will be storing in the number 3 as a res and inner html. Or coming to the display function, as for the display function we have taken as a drop down list, and we have created a id for that as a drop, and we have taken as a value and inner html. And for that it will be printing which department you have selected. For the generation, how many you have to generate number it will be asking, so that will be generated, and function for that, and the alert box will be created, and if you are right, the answer will be right, and it will be wrong. Here written as a if you else case, while running the program it will be asking first name. As we taken as a drop down list, I have taken as a csc department. The first name and taken as Charan, last name Sam, right? Now we have to take here numbers. Suppose we are taken as a number as 1 and here 2, so answer will be 3. As we are taken as a check, we are taken as a wrong, so based on me generating like this. And coming to the CSC department, taken as a triple E, and it will be showing this taken as a triple E department. And coming to the next experiment, next experiment is about the string checking, whether which string is been highest. String will be highest. And coming to the string tag, we have taken as a same as for that we have included the style tag, and for that output we have taken as hashtag output, and we have taken as a function check here, because the input value, if there is equal number of strings, then it will be printing. As for that we have taken as a for loop, and at last longest string will be printed, and for that we have used the get element by id, and which is longer dot inner html. And while running the program, it will be asking enter the string. Suppose I'm entering like that, and find this string. It will be showing, because the highest string is being, we have entered the second string, because after this space it will be counting which letters are been highest, and the highest string is be found out. Coming to the next experiment, as we are taking as a weight calculator. For the weight calculator, we have taken as a background color as black and color white, and for that margin we are taken as 60. And coming to that, we have used the style tag, and we have taken as a weight intenter, and we have taken as a options in kilos, kg. And same for the id, we have taken as a, we have taken id as in it okay. And coming to the answer, it will be span, it will be looking in different color. We have taken as a function convert. As we have taken function on, we have created on click button as convert, so we have to write the function for that, a into kilogram into pounds, and pounds to kilogram. Coming to that, while running the program, Suppose we are entering the weight as 83 kilogram into pounds, so it will be 182 point something like that, and same thing into pounds to kilogram, it will be showing the 37.66 something like that. And coming to the next program, addition game. So as we taken in the addition game, so we have to take add, generate and check, and for that we have taken a generate HTML, and for that we have taken as a two images, and for that we are using the for loop for the I as well as j for the function add, how many add we have to add. So if we display the correct answer, it will be displayed in the alert box, or else wrong answer. So as we are generating, how many we have generated, 1 2 3 something, some I have taken as 8, so it will be checking the incorrect answer will be taken. So as we taken as the alert box, so it will be showing like that. That's the use of alert box. And coming to the animation, the animation will be like this. And as we have the div tags here, coming to the animation dot css, we are taken as so many. For that we are taken as a sky, road, and for that yellow. Same for the road we are taking as a black, and for that as coming to the animation will be a car going on the road and coming again back. And coming to the web post, taken as exponent 5255. That's upon showing the exponent. So we double click on that, so we'll be entering the first name and last name, your answer. And suppose we are entering the name as, and the answer will be something like that. So it will be checking, so the answer will be wrong, and as we taken as the. And coming to the department, as I taken as CSC, it will be showing that we are taken as something as wrong. For thank you for watching the video.